Let's see what the data fill handle does for these days of the week. Copy it down, pull it down, and you can see it just increments the days of the weeks. How about the months? Pull that down, and you can see it fills it in all the way to December and then continues back with December. How about dates? Same here. It will just keep increasing the dates. How about words? We can do the same for words that have numbers to them. Item 1, 2, 3, 4. Times? What about times? We can do the fill handle for that, and you can see it will just automatically increment those. Here's some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will keep going on. You could pull it to the bottom of the spreadsheet and it would continue. Numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, continues going, 10, 12, so forth. I'm going to pull this one all the way down, 10, 20, 30, 40, and you can see it automatically fills it in. Quick and easy. Like and subscribe for more.